Hello everyone. So today what I'm going to do is go through a quick video about how to record your lecture using PowerPoint on the Mac. So for this, what we're going to use is a combination of PowerPoint and QuickTime Player. QuickTime Player is a default movie player that comes with the Mac. The reason why we use this software program is because on PowerPoint in Mac, it does not allow you to record your screen or to record your FaceTime camera in the same way that the Windows version does. So this is an option for anybody who's looking to do those things while recording a lecture with the Mac. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is set up our screen recording using QuickTime Player. So what you're going to do is search for QuickTime Player. And it's going to pop up. And what you're going to do is you're going to select File, New Movie Recording. So, and then what you will see is a window pop up. So here, this arrow beside the record button, what you're going to do is, or there are some options next to the record button that allows you to select the camera. Currently, I'm recording with a USB camera. This is what is allowing me to use both the FaceTime camera and you do QuickTime recording at the same time. So this is how I'm doing this. I'm using two cameras. Okay, so what I usually do to record these lectures is I drag this and put it to the side. Then the next thing I do is I open up my PowerPoint presentation. So here I have a PowerPoint presentation, and now it's open. So this, so once you open the PowerPoint presentation, it actually will hide the QuickTime window right here. So we don't want that to happen. So what we want to do is actually click on the window, and then in the QuickTime Player selection bar, we want to click View and then click Float on top. So this way, the QuickTime Player is always floating on top of each application. So if I click PowerPoint, even though I'm getting PowerPoint settings and the PowerPoint toolbar, what's happening is the application is not actually blocking this QuickTime video preview. Notice I'm not recording this yet. The idea is that we leave this video preview on and we don't record from here. What this will serve as is just basically a window that when we're recording our screen, it actually records our face as well. Anyway, so all you have to know functionally is just to leave it there and select Float on top. The next thing that you're going to do is set up your screen recording. So again, what we're going to do is click on this window. Oops, let's bring it back down, sorry. So click on this window. And then we have our QuickTime Player options, and we're going to go File, New Screen Recording. Okay, and here it gives us a few options. So here it gives us Capture Entire Screen, Capture Selected Window, Capture Selected Portion, Record Entire Screen, or Record Selected Portion. And here are some options. So again, we can select the microphone that we record from. So it's important to select the correct microphone here because this is where you'll actually be recording your video or your lecture from. So let me just do that and select my MacBook microphones. And then what I'm going to do is click record. So I'm recording, and as you can see here, this little icon indicates that I'm recording. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start my slideshow. Here I am. So I've started my slideshow in full screen mode. I'm going to drag this over here. And now what I'm going to do is just continue working with my slideshow. I will introduce myself for the class, go through the lecture, talk about science, 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 science. End of the slideshow, I hit escape, and then I click stop recording. And here I have my recording that I've used. So in this recording, We can close this for now. You can see that.
And as you can see here, this little icon.
You can see my face and you can see my recording. And I can export this, upload it to YouTube, and then post it on Q. So thank you for listening. Let me know if you have any questions.